A student has two solutions and think one contains calcium ions and the other contains aluminium ions. Describe how the student should carry out a test to identify the cations present in each solution. Well, in each case, we are going to add sodium hydroxide solution to each of the ions. Both calcium ions, Ca2 plus ions, and aluminium Al3 plus ions give a white precipitate. So a solid is formed, a white solid is formed in each solution when we add the sodium hydroxide. Well, that doesn't tell between them, but it does definitely prove that both aluminium and calcium are present. We're then going to add excess, so in other words, more sodium hydroxide okay. If the precipitate dissolves, so if the solid dissolves, if the precipitate dissolves, that proves that aluminium ions are present. If the precipitate dissolves, then Al3 plus ions are present. If the precipitate, so if the solid, if the precipitate does not dissolve, then Ca2 plus ions are present. So in both cases, add the sodium hydroxide. Okay, add a little bit to start with. If you get the white precipitate, you've got calcium, Ca2 plus, or aluminium, Al3 plus. And then add more, add excess, add too much if you like. If the precipitate dissolves, you've got aluminium ions. If it doesn't, it's calcium ions. All these questions and more on elsham-chemistry.com.